Hi friends, this is Chinmay Ganpatye from Amara Realty, your gateway to home sweet home. So now I will show you the sample flat of 2 BHK. This is 625 carpet. You can see the developer has given a L-type living room which is very spacious. This is the dedicated area for this dining table plus the kitchen wardrobe. You have a full length windows. Then you have a sajja outside. This is your kitchen. Very spacious kitchen. You can see you have a two-sided platform over here and you have a dry balcony as well. This is our common bedroom, which is your kids' room. This is the kids' bed, and you are getting a niche wardrobe over here. This is our master bedroom, which is 10 by 11. You can see after keeping a king size bed, you are getting a lot of space to move around. Plus, you are getting a wardrobe, which is 7 feet in length. This is a niche wardrobe space. And this is our attached washroom. So this is our spacious 2 BHK with 625 carpet. The asking price of this property is just 89 lakhs and there is a scheme going on right now. You can get up to 4 lakhs off if you visit the project at the earliest. We have one more variation available in this flat, which is 720, wherein you will get a bigger living room and a bigger bedroom. In this project, you will get a clubhouse of 25,000 square feet. You will get everything: 2 squash courts, multi-purpose court, gym, swimming pool, yoga room, and creche, and many other amenities as well, like children play area and all. So if you like this project as a whole and if you like this sample flat, please give me a call on 7977877341. I am Chinmay Ganpatye from Amara Realty, your gateway to home dream home. If you like this project and if you like this 2 BHK, then please give me a call. I am an authorized sales partner over here and we don't charge any brokerage. We give you the best rate. We have various finance schemes available. Like if you have only 2% ready and if you have SDR ready, please come, you can book the flat. If you have 5% ready and then if you want to go ahead with fixed EMI, then there is a fixed EMI of 6,999 for 2 BHK this flat. So if you are staying in a rented property, you don't need to worry. You can opt a scheme and pay 6,999 for 2 years. For more details, please give me a call. I would be very glad to assist you in your journey of finding a perfect home at a affordable pricing and with good finance schemes and a free pickup and drop for every visit. Last but not the least, if you like this video and if you want to see such amazing videos in future, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please follow my channel. Thank you.